Hey guys, you see that? That's Buyan. That's Buyan right there. Hey, this is Tito. Tito, the green hair. And Lina, the siopaw. Ikaw. And that's me, the siopaw. Hey Buyan, you say hi. Oh, grabe, good morning. Bakay na mo. My heart is aching so much. I miss Melly and Chloe from Muro.
Hindi ka miss kay Yula o kay Jen.
And Yula also, but not to Jello.
Hindi ko ninyo mamiss.
Dili. Guys, dimingaw na ko ni Melly, Yula, and Chloe.
Wala kay Jello.
Wala lagi ka Jello. Hindi mga tayo, mga tayo yatay. There's Buyan. Sana wala there is si Buyan o si 30.
Kawawa naman ang 30 na yan.
Wala, kawawa naman si green hair boy.
Umot man na.
Sigmo boy.
Ano na yung si Kuano? Sa kiniya ha?
Oo man dapat ang wala diri.
Meron na.
Naman mini
Baka ko di ay.
Magresto mo yuko.
Guys, ako ipakita sa inyo guys. Oh, diya.
Dapat tagaan na nila
Karen.
Ina ba?
Mag-apron lang siya.
Pang monster. Oy.
Grabe,
Paglabay na mga brother, nagbantay na sa Matrix brother.
Kay na si brother.
May buntag brother. Sayo kay ko dire sa SM brother nagbantay sa Matrix yabi kapsay.
Kita rang gauban to.
Saan? Wala yung bigo. Wala yung bigo si 30.
Ay, di
We're going to workplace. We're going to work. Goodbye. Workplace.
Ay, tapad ragi di ay.
Hey guys, we're here na ba?
Goodbye.
Oh no, guys. Panandalian na rin siya kay Kuan. Kay Kuan, look. Guys, tanaw. Panandalian na rin siya. Ay, ina.
Picturein namin.
Ito na yan. Look at guys.
Requirement. Ba? Ay guys, gusto ka panganog gulay guys. Ang sudan ito guys, gulay. Wala sila nanguha guys. Oh. Pero pag abot bito sa manok guys, paspas kasi sila kakabhab guys.
Hey guys. We're so going here.
Super dog now. Guys, our work is done.
Ay, na mag-vlog kung malita pa.
Tapos lang out lang mo kayo. Hello.
Yours? Yours?
Because my baby.
Guys, doon na si Melly guys. Si Melly and Dave. Nag-date sila. Mag-bowling daw may pero wala namin ni Apple. A vlogger na ginantanan pa yung outside.
For documentary.
I can't play bowling because I'm too tired. I have no energy for that. Bugat na kayang bola guys. Ang kabugat sa bola kay murag kabugat sa plato. Nagibati sa plato, sa kusara, sa tinidor, sa presilyo, sa tanan. Bye. I have two parents. The right and the left. Oh, it's day 3 and that's our break time. So I'm going to Kiatkal. Sige na guys, sa vlog set siya. Muna akong POV. POV? Time to go out. Say goodbye.
Hi naman.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Sulod na may amo na yung ang phone. Goodbye to everyone. Here at Sakura. Hello guys. Yun na. Cool.
Oh my God. Guys, so many customers.
Late break time. Wow! Bye na, oy.
Mag-vlog na sad ako na.
Dilis ako mag turnover kayo na. Dito din sa side. Peace out. Ano rin kayo na yung intas?
Ay, kaya pa.
Drink you spilled all over me. Lovers spit left.
Iko na, i-eardrop na sa ako, eardrop.
Mana among break, guys.
Yan ang gawin na.
Ano mo, dear? Back me, ask you.
That's the one.
Joke lang. Mana di mong break, so be professional na ta. Hi, ma'am, sir.
Hi, ma'am.
Doon na po na iyang,
Hi.
yung ningtan na po daw, balik.
Ni?
Ikaw.
Cassie.
Ikaw man perming balisan mo. Takar mo, balik pa din ako.
Left.
Guys, bye guys.
See you later. Or si Buyan. Boyan.
Say hi. And Harvey, say hi.
Nakuhaan siya. Sinitawan na
Kita si Harvey.
Harvey.
Uy, say hi ba?
Si Harvey lang.
Wala na. Late na ka.
Bye guys. Amo na yung surrenderable phone.
Nag-charge ko dito. Dili na ako surrender ako pa. Nag-charge ko.
Hello. 1 week done! Mana 1 week down. Yes, yo! 5 more days to go.
Ay, ikaw na lang din na inang.
Bye, guys. Hindi ako mag-phone kaya I'm so tired. But I had so much fun. Goodbye! Hello, guys! It's day 6! Yeah! Let's go! Day 6 done. Peace out to you, brother. Ito ka na. Wala ako si Plan. Day 6 done. Peace out, brothers and sisters. Magbibebe time na siya. Yeah.
I'm spying Bezos.
Thank you. We're going home.
Manamig. Oh no,
Joke
last
lang.
2 days. Oh
Last two
Last night.
days. Oh, di matchy with Ina Larry. Bye, we're going to meet our friends.
Oh no. Yeah.
Goodbye.
Boogie. Down. 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 Yato bigay. Ano han?
Organic.
So bebo.
Boy, don't say that ba?
Sa to.
Kaya na siya, Day.
Wala akong
Kaya na
favorite phrase, Carol. Hey, don't say that.
Bye. Nag-side eye siya sa iyo. Pag-ingon ni Jello nga, don't say that. Gikan na ba sa'yo, don't say that? Gikan na ba sa'yo? Nag-ingon siya, don't say that. Wala siya nag-credit sa ako. Kasi na pa sa tubangan. Oh no!
Hey, don't say that ba?
Ano kayo angay? Ang ina mo.
I want to...
Wala naman.
Ay, mawa.
Let me show you 3D. Yeah, because I said we're gonna be there. Only customer like 0. We were so busy. We cleaned all the... Ay, maglimpyo today. POV, ikaw ang buta nga nagbaso.
Pangit cake ka ba? Pangit cake ka na kiss
Harmony. Hinaya.
Water's boiling, it's time to wake. The morning light begins to break. I take the beats, a gentle grind, a quiet ritual, a peace of mind. Brewing my morning slow. With every drop, I let it flow. A little warmth, a little grace. The day begins with that first taste. Scent of coffee fills the air. I close my eyes without care. Pour the water, watch it brew. A dance of flavors in the room. Brewing my morning slow. With every drop, I
Choco pasta man na.
let it flow. A little warmth,
This is baked fish and that is choco pasta. Let's go, guys.
every cup, there's a story told.
Wala ninyo nuggets ng bowl na yun ba?
I sip the peace, sip the calm. The world can wait in this bowl. Brewing my mornings.
Guys, let's eat here.
2 weeks. 2 weeks na.
Ay, magbalik man mi dari tomorrow pero dili naman siya as a worker but as a guest.
Oh,
This is
that's why
our
we are,
last
That's
food.
why we are enjoying our privilege to be a worker here.
That's right. Here's Buyam. Here's for the last time. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. For the last time. Do this. Bye guys! Tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.